Thank you to Gail and to Rich and to Andrew and to Amy, who have really built an incredible company. And I was just chatting with Amy. You know, they're a modest family, but what they've accomplished is not modest. It's really quite impressive. A global technology company in well over 150 countries, right? 100 countries? 120, operating in 120 countries, thousands of schools, impacting tens of thousands of students, and a family-owned business here in Western Mass that whole time. And to have a technology company, an information-based technology company like Rediker Software, based here in Western Massachusetts, expanding in Western Massachusetts, hiring more people in Western Massachusetts while having that type of global impact is really incredible. And to do it from Hampden, we're just so grateful for your investment, for your confidence in the Commonwealth, for your confidence in Western Mass, and for really being at the leading edge of that renaissance that we talk so much about, which is bringing in more of those high-tech jobs, more of those high-paying, good software-oriented jobs to Western Mass. So I just want to thank you, Gail, and thank you, Andrew, and you, Amy, for an incredible investment. Wishing you a lot of good fortune and good success in the years to come. Okay, ready? One. Oh, here. Ready? On the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Well done.